My relationship actually began with North Georgia replacement windows more than 10 years ago. With my wife and I were looking at our windows and they were kind of leaky and gapping and the air was coming in. And as it would turn out, there was a commercial near the weather, and I saw that commercial while I was getting ready to do my weathercast. I said, maybe I'll call him. And I did, and it was one of the best decisions I ever made in my life. We had a lot of windows. We had, I think, 24 windows to be replaced in our house. They came over, they made everything so easy from start to finish. The planning, the installation was flawless. About, I'd say 2 or 3 years later, we actually sold the house, and having those windows put in was a major selling point. We moved into a new house, and this was, I guess, about 5 years ago, and the windows were a little leaky here and there, so we decided to have them back again. We had a big planning session, we changed some things, and they gave some great input and suggestions on what to do, and got it done seamlessly once again. On the Affinity from Marvin fiberglass windows, you have actually a smaller frame, believe it or not, which gives you a better vista outside, and it's just a great view. When they say that they're going to come in and take care of everything, you won't have to worry about anything as far as the installation goes. Yeah, it was all true. This is the company that has the best products, the best service, the best installation. The biggest factor, I think, in choosing a company is their integrity. Are they going to warranty their work and stand behind their work? The product, of course, has to be good, but the folks standing behind that product have to be even better.